I was introduced to Jade and Brett of Expedition Evans by two other YouTubers you've already met here, Desiree and Jordan of the YouTube channel Sailing Atticus. As the world of short-form video making, in other words, YouTubing, seems to evolve so quickly, I asked if they knew of someone who was just starting out on this YouTube journey. And they immediately suggested, you'd really like Jade and Brett. They have something to add to your program because they've got a slightly different approach to monetizing the videos that they're making. She was right, as you'll learn by watching this. I'll let Jade and Brett introduce the journey they've been on. It definitely started quite differently than most potential voyagers and video creators.
Jade and I are the YouTube channel Expedition Evans, also TikTok and Instagram. Lynn has asked us to come and do a little presentation for you guys talking about kind of our life, how we got to where we are, who we are, and kind of what we do for a living. We just crossed over 200,000 subscribers, and we've been at this for a couple of years now, doing YouTube videos.
Yeah, we're coming up on 2 years. We've not quite 2 years of the channel yet, but coming up on it.